Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So in this video I will be discussing about how you can give quick replies to other people via the Amazfit GTS to Mini. Yes, quick replies, and it will not only work with the Amazfit GTS to Mini but any other Amazfit watch. And it is really easy to give quick replies in the Amazfit GTS to Mini. So this video will be a sick video guys as always, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon because I will be making more videos like this. So let's start. So I will be discussing the quick reply option via the Amazfit GTS to Mini in the WhatsApp app. It will work with other popular cross messaging platforms also. Very easy guys. First of all, you need to download the Notify app for the Amazfit GTS to Mini, which is available in the Play Store. So it adds a lot of functions to the Amazfit GTS to Mini. So make sure you are downloading this app to use the quick reply option. Once you have downloaded, connect the watch with this app, and once you have connected it, you need to come to the mailbox icon. In the mailbox icon, you will get this button option. So the button option is the option where you will find the quick reply. So once you have found the quick reply, what you need to do is you need to click on the quick reply option, and here you will see one option that is quick reply, which will be there. So you need to enable this option first. Enable the option, and in this edit option, what you need to do, you need to add the quick replies which you want to send once you have received a message on your phone and on your Amazfit GTS to Mini. So I have already added the quick replies here. You just need to click on this button and add them. So these are the quick replies which I have added, which I can send whenever I will be receiving a WhatsApp message or any message in other platforms also. So these are the quick replies I have already selected. So now let's see how the quick reply will work and how we can reply directly from the watch to the other people who has sent us a message. So now I will be sending a message to this phone in WhatsApp to check whether the message is getting delivered and also how the quick reply will work. So let's send a message here first. Here I am sending the hey message to this phone, and you can see the hey message has been displayed on my Amazfit GTS to Mini. Now what you need to do to send the quick reply is you need to just go to the main screen of the watch by clicking this button once, and then you need to go to the music player. So how you can go to the music player is you can either go via the menu or you can keep it as a shortcut. I have kept it as a shortcut in the right side of the Amazfit GTS to Mini. So let's go to the music player app first on this watch, and once you are on the music player app, you can see that you will get this prompt to quick reply the person name who has sent you the message. So once you are on the music player app, you need to click on the skip tracks button to change the quick reply here which you will be sending to the recipient. So here you can see whatever I have saved as quick replies, they are changing once I am clicking on this next track button in the Amazfit GTS to Mini. Also you can go to the previous reply by clicking on the previous track button. This is really easy. So once you are in the correct quick reply which you want to send, you just need to click on this play button. So clicking on this play button, you can see that it is showing me sent here. That means the quick reply has been sent to the person who has sent you the message, and you can see here I have got the reply from the Amazfit GTS to Mini as a quick reply in my WhatsApp from where I have sent a message. So this is the trick you want to use if you want to select and send the quick replies which you want to send via the Amazfit GTS to Mini. Also, in case if this is not working for you guys, what you need to do, there is an alternative button also. So you just need to come to the Notify app. In the quick reply option, you will get this alternative send button. So you need to enable this. What it will do is it will enable to send quick replies by the volume button also. So now I will show you guys how that works. Then I am sending another message to my number to get the message on my Amazfit GTS to Mini. As you can see, I have got the message. I will go to the music player app. Once I come to the music player, I just need to select the reply which I want to send, and instead of selecting the play button, I can now select or click on the volume plus minus button. That will also send the quick reply to the number from where I have sent a message. So here you can see that again a quick reply has come to my number, that is please subscribe to Addicted Blogging. So this is the trick guys. If you want to send quick replies from Amazfit GTS to Mini or any other Amazfit watch, you can follow these procedures and definitely you can send the predefined quick replies from the Amazfit watches. So that's it guys. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.